We're gonna kill him.
Playing 4:30. We're hunting a cut cornfield this morning. A little tired. Boys are really tired this morning, so I think the last goose hunt of the season probably. Maybe might do one more hunt on Monday. Monday's the last season, so it's the last weekend we have. So I said hunting a cut cornfield. Should be about 80 to 100 birds putting in, possibly more. I didn't really get to scout in the morning. So, but first cut cornfield of the year, so hopefully birds are dumping in. That's kind of the plan. 4:30, we'll be there, I don't know, 5 o'clock. It's going to be just about 2 hours of setting up. And keep you guys updated real soon.
Oh, hi. See ya, Haas.
Here's a whole stock right here.
Keep that. Got to the field a little later than we went to. It's 5:20. Cornfield is a little bare. It's gonna be a tough one. We're hunting kind of just dirt, and there's a bunch of corn kind of scattered around, but we got exactly where they've been sitting. We're just gonna have to really just take all these corn stalks and just shove them in, really blend it up. I mean, they've been in here ever since it got cut, so shouldn't be too bad of a hassle. Just gotta really blend stuff in. Hour and a half till the shooting light, so we gotta get to work. We're gonna have a little bit of a busy morning, so catch you soon.
Got any corn?
It's corn.
Right, 6:30. Probably got 30 more minutes till birds fly, maybe 45. We got the hide somewhat figured out. It's tough hide, but I think we'll be all right. There's a bunch of corn stalks laying down that were kind of fresh, so we kind of just put them on top. I think a farmer's cutting the corn a little bit down farther. I don't know if that's going to be an issue. Hopefully not, but so we got 45 minutes. Birds do it well. I mean, we're first cut cornfield of the year, so you can't really complain, especially in September. That's awesome. So 45 minutes we'll be shooting, hopefully, and then it should be a fun shoot.
What's up?
Let me get a daily Jerry prediction.
Prediction. I think they're gonna pick up soon. We kill a lot of birds, a lot of doves over there. Holy smokes!
Jesus, we could annihilate the ducks.
Well, they keep coming.
Yeah, we're gonna kill them. Got a bunch of ponds around. Only cut cornfield in the area, so hopefully they want it.
Kill him! Take him!
Sweet.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him on this pass. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill this one in the back. Kill you some in the back. Take him! Oh, I hit that bird. He's going down. More to the left, more to the left, more to the left. Big flock coming to the left. Flag, 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 flag. We're gonna get the back flock. We're gonna get the back flock. Kill him! Kill him! How many? We probably got like 5 or 6 flocks that came in. A couple smaller flocks, and then a big flock came and did it. I think we have close to 12, maybe I'd say. Right?
12, yeah.
12, 15 birds. Still pretty early, so it was a cold morning, so birds still might be picking up, and these birds still want to put back in. So we might even have birds that we shot at coming back over, but we're just gonna give it about 30, 45 minutes, see what we're doing, and hopefully still kill them in this cornfield. Whack and stack. Whack and stack.
Hit some shots.
Yeah. Let's hit some shots.
Donnie did some.
They coming? Yep. Loaded up? Yep. Kill him! Good job, fellas. Good shooting, good shooting, good shooting. Brady, kill it. Kill this bird. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him over top. Hurry, 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 hurry. Shoot him. Yeah! Good job, fellas.
Let's go! Nine of them. I can't.
It's a good morning right there. 20 birds.
22 birds. Yeah.
22. Can't ask for better. We're not hunting this afternoon because we're going to be running trail cams for deer season, but got one more day on Monday. May or may not get out. Depends if we could find a feed, but I mean, if this is the end of the goose season, that's a hell of an early season. We got duck coming in October 7th, and then deer opens up next weekend, so
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
just gonna stay after it. I mean, hopefully we can keep the shoots going, and
Shooting was a little rough in the morning.
a little rough in the beginning.
But we picked it back up. That's all that matters. I mean, you're out here hunting. That's the only thing you can ask for. Hunting a cut cornfield like this in the early season, being with your boys and buddies. I mean, it's what hunting's about. Whatever. So you miss some freaking birds, but fun morning. I mean, I know you guys all enjoyed it. It was awesome.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah, you can say over there.
There's the pro. That's the staff pro right there.
Appreciate it.
Staff pro, yeah.
You ain't no staff. Pro.
Hey, you 2 birds with 1 shot today. Can't.
I didn't hit a single bird.
I'll say it looked like blood trail.
Unless that was you this morning. I could have been bleeding all over the place.
Angel on the track.